Hi! This is gonna be just a fun video trying a trend that MAC Cosmetics is just starting, and it is called two-toned lips. So I saw this, I was like, oh my god, this is so fun. There's so many possibilities of doing your lips two-toned, and it looks like this, like this, like this, and like this. It's really beautiful, and I feel like it's different than if you just put one slap of color on your lips, or you can do really a gradient if you want, you can do non-gradient if you want. And it actually reminds me of this show, like this character. I actually don't remember the name of the show, but I know I was watching this when I was a kid, so here a picture of it. Tell me down below if you know what it is. But anyways, this was one of my favorite shows. There was even like I don't know if you guys remember, but there was like a game on the computer about it online, and I can't find it. Oh my god, I was like, I wanted to try it, to play it again, but I can't find it anymore. So anyways, we're gonna be trying this lip trend because my lips are kind of bare right now, and we need something on them. And of course, I'm gonna be using two MAC lipsticks, and it's gonna be in the Powder Kiss lipsticks. These two colors is going to be the shade Reverence and the shade Work Work Work. So these two, I feel like they're the ones that are going to fit the most together, and that they are the most contrasting. You could do this technically with a liquid lipstick, with anything, but I kind of want to do this with this. And I don't know, should I put the red at the bottom or at the top? Is it even gonna fit with this makeup look? I feel like the most two-tone lips that I could do is one at the top and one at the bottom. I saw MAC do with the middle one, and the sides were another color, but I feel like the most contrasting one will be like this. And of course, we're gonna do a gradient like this, so it's gonna be really cool. Or there's a gradient like this if you want, but I feel like if I want to make it very wearable, I'm gonna be dark and then light. To that, I have my two lip liners, trusty lip liners that goes with it. I'm gonna start with the Boldly Bare from MAC Cosmetics, and did you even see that? It's not really sharpened. I need to sharpen it. I don't know where my sharpen it is, so we're gonna have to deal with the fact that it is not sharpened. So I'm gonna be putting this here, and I of course want to overline my lips. I want to overline my lips, and I already put lip primer on them. The thing now with putting this lip liner is that it's a bit darker than the lipstick that I have. All right, so the first top is done. I'm not gonna put anything else, and then I'm gonna be taking the other lip liner. This one is in the shade Brick. I feel like if I do this, you're gonna be able to see it better. And this one is not sharpened either. It still works though, it still works. Do you like when your like lip pencil, it's not, like if it's too sharpened, I don't like it for some reason. It's like too hard, it might break on you, it might do weird things, so I'd rather just have it like that. That's gonna be so weird. Two-tone lips. I stabbed my face with it. Then I put it a little bit on the upper lip just to start blending it. That is so weird. OMG. Okay, so I think we're gonna start with the shade Reverence, and I'm gonna be putting this on the top of my lip. So let's go and try this. This one is way more pink, and I feel like it's gonna fit way more with the red. So I'm gonna bring it all the way on the lip liner. You can obviously see that I way overline my lips. It's okay. It's okay. I'm not trying to hide anything. I have small lips, and that's what it looks like. Okay, so, all right, so moment of truth. We're gonna put the red one at the bottom. And then I'll put a little bit here. So there's like a gradient there. I don't know if you can see it. My lip liner is not straight. Oh my god. I feel like I should put a little bit of the Reverence on the inside. Look what it does. I'm gonna have to clean it. It's so crazy. I mean, it looked kind of pretty when I did it on my hands. I don't know if I like it. What do you guys think? Do you like the two-tone thing? I feel like it kind of gives a different vibe. I feel like I like it. I feel like I like it. I was like, oh my god, I don't think I like it. But then I look again. I think I like the fact that the red is at the bottom and that the, you know, other tone is at the top. What do you guys think? Okay, let me try to put a bit of a darker red right at the bottom. So I'm gonna go with, this is the Giorgio Armani Lip Power in 403. This is really deeper and like a little bit more shiny. So I'm gonna be concentrating this at the bottom. Now you can clearly see the difference between both of them. So what do you think of my makeup with this two-toned lip? So what's funny is that it fits, the upper lip fits with the eyeshadow, it fits with the blush on the side, and then the red add a little extra oomph, so then my eyes can pop more. I feel like that would be something that I would recreate on a day-to-day basis. I know it sounds kind of crazy, but I actually really like it. On pictures, it looks kind of weird. You really have to do it like in different ways. Like the way that only the middle was like especially like bright neon pink and then the side was bright red, and then you could see the difference and it was kind of cool. It was like giving a lot of dimension. But I feel like on a day-to-day basis, doing this one and having the lower lip darker than the upper lip adds different dimension and different things to the lips. Tell me what you think down below. I am really curious about what you think about that. They are starting a new trend, I guess, and I just wanted to try it out. Since we're posting it all over Instagram, I was like, okay, I need to try it and to see it for myself in front of the camera. So anyways, that is a small video for today. It was just about lips. And if you like lips, of course, I'm going to have some lip product coming. I'm going to do a video of lip swatches and all of these things, especially from Pat McGrath, because I do have the new collection coming. So there's only one. But then there was a lot on sale, the mini versions on the Sephora website, the Canadian one. And I was like, okay, I need to buy them to try different colors if I really, really like it. And I'm going to have a lip liner as well. So anyways, I'll tell you guys if I like it or not. But I feel like I'm so excited because a bunch of things are coming. And I like things and I like makeup. And yeah, so if you like this video, I'm kind of crazy, okay? But if you liked it, make sure to like the video, to comment down below what you think about this beautiful lip. Of course, it would transfer less with liquid lipsticks, but you do what you gotta do, honey. Okay? And consider subscribing for 5 beautiful videos a week, all on beauty related and more. So thank you so much, guys, for watching. Thank you so much for subscribing. Stay subscribed. And again, watching my content, you know, it really, really means the world to me when you do this. I love you guys so much, and I will definitely see you in the next one. Bye, beauties.